Hi everyone, here is another one of the best Black Friday deals available now. In today's digital age, every business needs a website. For that to happen, you need to decide on a domain name and then you need to buy a web hosting service to build your website on. Preferably a good and reliable service with all the useful tools and features such as a website builder, site speed enhancer, site optimizer, and more. Now, during this Black Friday sale, you can get such a web hosting service at a huge discount price. The discount is 80% off at SiteGround, the best web hosting provider. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and get updates on the best Black Friday deals for your online business. SiteGround provides high-class hosting services with tons of great features. It is easy to manage your websites at SiteGround. They offer reliable web hosting services that are fast and secure for all types of sites. They are trusted by owners of over 2.8 million domains, including mine. They have tools and services for seamless site building such as the WordPress Starter, WordPress Migrator, SG Optimizer, and more. Do you need a website but don't know where to start? SiteGround gives you a full solution, including your choice of site builder, premium features, and the support you need to launch your website. The WordPress Starter plugin guides users through a quick and easy installation process for WordPress, including selecting a theme and installing essential plugins on your new website. This can help you to create a real and functional site in minutes. You get free automated WordPress migration with an easy-to-use WordPress plugin, or a professional web transfer can be done with the help of their experts. There is also the free WordPress Migrator tool for users on the startup plan. At SiteGround, they are very serious about website security and uptime. They develop solutions to protect client sites on 3 levels: application, server, and network. Their security team maintains a web application firewall with custom rules that stop numerous third-party software vulnerabilities. In the past year itself, they have added over 300 custom security rules to protect clients' sites. They have also built an in-house AI anti-bot system which blocks millions of brute force attacks every day. All plugins and patches are also automatically updated to fight against common WordPress-related exploits through their server firewall. You also get their all-in-one SiteGround security plugin pre-installed to protect your website from brute force attacks, common hacks, data leaks, and more. Oh, and they have this SiteGround Site Scanner security service, which they have improved over the years. You get a comprehensive WordPress performance solution that dramatically speeds up your websites. It is built on top of the Google Cloud Platform and includes a free CDN and the free SiteGround Optimizer plugin for powerful caching, front-end and image optimizations, PHP version control, and more. On Grow Big and Higher plans, you also get 30% faster PHP service. You can customize the MySQL setup for faster queries available on all plans. They also developed their own web caching service called Super Cacher to further boost the site's loading speeds. You can take advantage of the latest speed technologies such as QUIC, HTTPS, latest PHP versions, and more. On top of all that, all their plans come with a free Cloudflare CDN, which I mentioned earlier, which makes sites load super fast from every part of the world. Building and maintaining a WordPress site is easy with their thoughtfully designed tools. All hosting plans include free Let's Encrypt Standard and Wildcard SSL certificates. For your convenience, the standard SSL comes pre-installed on your site. Your account is backed up daily and you get to keep up to 30 copies. You also have the option to create on-demand backups with the click of a button. As such, you can rest easy knowing all your sites have been all backed up. You can create unlimited email accounts with the webmail interface included. There is also the free spam experts service that help you to stop spam. Need to update your website but not ready to show it to the world? Making changes on your site has never been easier. You can create a copy of your site in a click, work on it, and then push the changes live with their staging tool. Advanced users will love their tools like WP CLI, SSH Access, PHP version control, Git integration, and more that make workflows easy and fast. You can easily add as collaborators the developers who work on a specific website. You can also ship the site to the client once it is ready. The customer care team is the highest rated support squad online. They are available 24/7, fast and helpful. The entire team is very knowledgeable and can help you solve any hosting issues on their service. From my personal experience, I can attest to that. You can reach out to for help anytime, and there are various channels to do that. You can do live chat, phone chat, or submit a ticket. And you can talk to them about hosting issues 24/7. As mentioned earlier, SiteGround is hosting more than 2.8 million domains. So, they're quite good. They have a customer satisfaction rate at 98%, and they're still doing their best to increase that. In the industry, they are recommended by both WordPress.org and WooCommerce as one of the best WordPress hosting providers. This Black Friday, SiteGround's offer consists of 80% off for new annual signups on all 3 shared hosting plans. This is a huge discount. So if you are new to SiteGround, don't miss this offer. Go to the video description below and click on the link now. The Black Friday promotion is divided into 5 periods as follows. SiteGround is an excellent partner to have for your web hosting needs. With all the features including site speed and security, you can have a website that search engines, especially Google, will love. And this can help with your SEO efforts too. As a result, your web pages can rank high, even on the first page. I have been with SiteGround for some years now, and they have proven to be very reliable, secure, and safe. I also really appreciate their support. Anytime I have any questions or issues, with the web hosting service or their tools, their plugins, they are always available to help 24/7, and they always respond very quickly. Plus, when they respond, they always have the answers. This is critical because you want a web hosting service that can solve any issues for your websites. You want your website to be online, always online, and accessible by your visitors. So don't miss it, this Black Friday offer. Go to the description below, the video description, click on the link now, all right, and get this deal. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.